depths of the Pacific back in 1997, an enigma echoed. Underwater microphones picked up a mysterious sound, now known as the Bloop, a powerful, ultra-low frequency that lasted for just over a minute, but its echo, that still resonates in our imaginations. Unexplained, the Bloop continues to baffle scientists. It's louder than any known creature, louder than the blue whale, the largest animal on the planet. So, what could be lurking beneath the waves capable of such a sound? Some speculate an undiscovered sea monster, a leviathan of lore, while others suggest icebergs scraping the ocean floor. But the truth, it remains hidden in the dark, silent abyss of the ocean, waiting to reveal itself. The Bloop, a chilling reminder of the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. What do you think it could be? Until next time, stay curious.